All right, let's see how my mushrooms are doing. We're going to give them a little stir since a few of them are just kind of hanging out near the top. And we want to make sure they all reconstitute nicely. All right. Let's combine all the sauces in another bowl. Mushrooms are reconstituting. Got my chicken. Should probably get my cilantros. Well, put that there. There we go. That'll do. You know, instead of drinking coffee, I really should be drinking water because my lips are chapped, but coffee. All right, so get the oyster sauce and fish sauce. I keep forgetting I'm almost out of oyster sauce. I don't think this needs Worcestershire, so we're going to just leave it that there. Instead of coffee, go with tea. Yeah, I was thinking about it, vibes. Let's see. I mean, it's just dirty bean water, so it's good enough. Yes, Lion. Delicious and still has caffeine. Well, the teas I enjoy tend to be fruit teas, so they don't typically have as much. It's a broth. Yes, Plush Viking, it is a broth. Like this one is blueberry rooibos, and this tea here is orange blossom. Obviously, I have matcha powder. And over here, this is Rishi Scarlet. And then this one here is, I always say this wrong, Ceylon. So I suppose if I mix these two together, it'd be pretty good. Mix the fruit tea and the black tea. I might mix the Ceylon and the Scarlet. That sounds like it would actually be quite good together. Alrighty. So, where's my tiny mixing bowls? Itty bitty mixing bowl. Okay, onward. Wait, where did I put my recipe? Okay, we need a half a teaspoon of salt. Some wacky ass combos with your teas. Hey, tea is meant to be experimented with. Okay, salt. Hang on, someone just messaged me. There we go. Okay. All right. 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper. Now, the recipe specifically just said pepper, but white pepper is so much better than black pepper. There's a whole cultural reason why black pepper lost to the superior pepper, and it has to do with the English. It always has to do with the English. The English invaded half the world in search of spices, decided they didn't like any of them. Well, tea is one thing, spices are quite another. Let's see, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. There you go, that's good. Yeah, it's one of my goals in life to go and just, I want to travel to India and actually go to a spice market there. That's something I just need to do with my life. Because, well, you can't see it. So this is my little spice rack. These are the things I usually just have on hand so I can throw them in things. The empty bottles are ones I have